If a girl says this, she's been missing you. In the tapestry of human relationships, the threads of connection are not always colored by words spoken aloud. Often, it's the silence between words, the subtleties of behavior, and the nuances of action that paint the truest picture of our feelings towards another. This truth shines brightly in the realm of affection and longing, where the heart's yearnings are frequently cloaked in the unspoken. It's a domain where understanding becomes an art, requiring us to read between the lines of casual conversation and to listen with more than just our ears. This essay embarks on a journey to unravel these mysteries, particularly through the lens of how a girl conveys that she's been missing someone, not through grand declarations, but through subtle cues and nuanced expressions. The subtlety of longing. I've been wanting to tell you something. In the subtle dance of human connection, the echo of longing often arrives cloaked in the guise of casual banter. Imagine the moment a girl leans in, her voice tinged with anticipation, whispering, "I've been wanting to tell you something." This simple phrase, unassuming at first glance, carries the weight of unspoken emotions, acting as a beacon that signals your lingering presence in the corners of her mind. It's a declaration, silent but profound, that amidst the hustle of her daily life, her thoughts have consistently found their way back to you, weaving you into the fabric of her daydreams and reflections. This isn't just idle chatter, it's a bridge meticulously constructed across the vast expanse of distance, a testament to the invisible threads that connect us even when we're apart. Each word she chooses is imbued with the longing to share, to intertwine your worlds with the threads of shared experiences and emotions. It's as if each moment of her day is peppered with reminders of you, with scenarios played out in her imagination of how you might laugh at her stories or offer your thoughts on her musings. Far from mere conversation, it's a poignant expression of emotional attachment, a whisper of her heart's yearning across the void. The phrase "I've been wanting to tell you something" becomes a symbol of this yearning, a reflection of the times your absence has felt like a tangible presence in her life. It speaks volumes of the depth of her feelings, revealing a desire not just for your company but for the shared joy and understanding that comes from truly knowing one another. In these moments, her longing is no longer silent but echoed loudly, resonating with the hope of rekindling the sparks of connection that distance has dimmed. Beyond the initial whispers of yearning lies a deeper effort to forge connections, an endeavor marked by a journey into each other's interests and passions. Bridging worlds, engaging in your interests. Delving into your world of hobbies and passions, she crafts a delicate yet powerful bridge, drawing herself ever closer to the essence of what makes you, you. It's a dance of longing, a silent declaration of her desire to delve deeper into the heart of your joys and fascinations. Far beyond simple curiosity, this venture is a pilgrimage, a deliberate journey she takes, step by careful step, to intertwine her soul with the things that set yours alight. It's as if with every interest of yours she embraces, she's whispering across the void, yearning to occupy your thoughts, aspiring to become an integral thread in the rich tapestry of your passions. This exploration is no casual affair, it's her heartfelt ode to the moments of happiness and exploration you've shared, a beacon of her wish to forge new memories that sparkle with mutual delight and understanding. When she immerses herself in the realms that captivate you, it's more than an attempt to understand your world, it's an act of intimacy, a gesture of connection that transcends words. It's as though each time she mirrors your enthusiasm, she's gently stating, "I miss our adventures, the spark in your eyes when you talk about what you love. Let's create more of these treasures together." Her engagement with your interests isn't just about sharing hobbies, it's a profound expression of missing the unique alchemy that comes to life when your worlds collide. It's her way of nurturing the bond between you, of keeping the flame of shared curiosity and joy alive, regardless of the miles that may lie between. Through this shared voyage of discovery, she not only seeks to know you better but also to weave a shared narrative of passion and connection that resonates with the harmony of two hearts in tandem. While shared interests draw the map of companionship, The true depth of missing someone is further revealed in how they become a part of our narratives, even in their absence. Echoes of you in her conversations. I was just talking about you. When she weaves your name into conversations with friends and family, it's like opening a window into her soul, revealing that thoughts of you are constant companions in her mind. This isn't mere small talk, it's a profound testament to how deeply you're ingrained in her life, resonating through her daily interactions like a melody that refuses to fade. Each mention of you to others is a delicate thread of connection, subtly binding your essence to the tapestry of her everyday existence. It's a signal, clear and bright, of her longing for the warmth of your presence, a silent acknowledgement of the special place you hold in her heart. This act of sharing your stories and moments with those close to her isn't just keeping you alive in her thoughts, it's a celebration of the bond you share, cherished and vivid, echoing her deep-seated yearning for the togetherness that distance can't diminish. As the echoes of their name linger in our conversations, it's the attentiveness to the nuances of their life that truly marks the weight of their absence in our hearts. The detail in the remembering, inquiring about your life. Her keen attention to the intricacies of your life, capturing those ephemeral moments and casual asides, shines as a testament to her genuine care and profound interest. Inquiring about a project you briefly mentioned or checking in on a family member's well-being transcends mere politeness. It's a heartfelt gesture, signaling that she holds your universe in high regard. This meticulous attention to detail acts as a silent embrace, a way for her to clasp onto fragments of your existence, weaving them into the fabric of her daily thoughts and emotions. It's as though every small piece of your life she remembers and cherishes serves as a bridge over the void of absence, keeping the essence of your connection vibrant and alive. This behavior is a vivid illustration of how deeply she misses you, transforming the minutiae of your life into pivotal points of connection between you both. It's not just the grand gestures or the long conversations that knit you closer, it's her celebration of the ordinary, the everyday aspects of your life that she elevates to extraordinary significance. Through this lens, every detail she recalls and values becomes a beacon of her longing, a clear signal that in the vast landscape of her mind and heart, you are profoundly missed and deeply cherished. In the intricate dance of connection, it's not just the present that's colored by longing but also the past, wrapped in the warm embrace of nostalgia. Nostalgia's warm embrace. Do you remember when we? Diving into the depths of memory, she brings to light the shared adventures and quiet moments that have colored your bond, signaling a profound sense of longing. This act of reminiscing is far more than a mere journey through the past, it's a vivid tapestry being woven for the future, a future she envisions with you by her side. Each story recounted, each laugh remembered, pulses with the warmth and affection that have marked your journey together, serving as a beacon through the fog of time and distance. These recollections are not just echoes of what was but are the foundation stones of what could be, an invitation to reignite the spark of closeness that life's demands may have cooled. This narrative of shared history is her heartfelt way of drawing you closer, of bridging the gaps that physical absence has created. It's as if with every "do you remember when we?" she's gently tugging at the strings of your heart, reminding you of the joy and connection that once was, and that can be again. Through this, she not only cherishes the memories of yesteryears but also sows the seeds for new moments to be treasured, crafting a future where every remember when is a testament to enduring affection and shared growth. Our journey through the landscape of unspoken yearning culminates in the realization that true connection lies not only in recognizing signs of missing but in how we respond to them, weaving together the past, present, and future. Understanding the unspoken, the subtle cues that signal someone's longing and missing, is an art cultivated through attentive listening and thoughtful engagement. Recognizing these signs is just the beginning. The depth of connection, the richness of the relationship, blossoms through how we respond to these cues. It's about engaging with genuine interest, showing appreciation for the effort to connect, and reciprocating in ways that affirm the bond shared. This dance of give and take, of speaking through the unspoken, not only validates the feelings expressed but also weaves a stronger, more intimate tapestry of connection, In the end, it's about being present, in words and in silence, in sharing and in listening, in the moments together and the ones spent apart, always nurturing the connection that binds two hearts together.